We're here for our stay in Chiang Mai, and we've booked into what's called a homestay, which is like a bed and breakfast. And I've got to say, it's so cute. We walked in, it smells absolutely gorgeous. It smells a little like citronella. It really smells lovely. The people that own the place are so friendly. They were waiting for us at the gate when we got here in the taxi, and they brought our cases up. It's only a little tiny place. It includes breakfast, like I said, because it's a bed and breakfast, and they cook it fresh every morning. Sometimes it's Thai food. She said, do we like spicy? We said, yeah. So we might get curry or something like that for breakfast, but I'm going to show you around my room. Then I'll show you my dad and Andy's, and then we'll show you downstairs. But it's on one of the little narrow streets in the old town. The taxi could only just get down the street. It's really quaint. So we've got your key card there for your electricity, and it's got air conditioning. But then look at these details. And it's all in traditional Thai style. I've not felt the bed yet. Feels comfy. And then there's not a wardrobe, but you've got these hangers here to hang your clothes on. But then space in a little cupboard there. There's a kettle with some coffee, and then I've noticed there's lots and lots of water in the fridge. Really traditional looking. And again, a huge shower. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So this is my dad's room. My dad's actually got a window looking outside as well. Look at his. That's all right. This really is lovely, isn't it?
It is. She's got aircon.
Yeah.
It's got the coffee making.
You've got loads of water as well. Have you seen how big the shower is as well? My shower's bigger than yours.
Is it?
Yeah.
I've done mine.
Have you? Can I come and have a look at it?
So we're in Chiang Mai. We're in a place called, it's a homestay called Ruanmata. Never done a homestay before. It's lovely actually. I really like this. We've got individual rooms. The owners live here. I think her name's Mon. Really lovely family. Nice. This is my room. It's air conditioning. I've got like a day bed. And it's just, we're in the old part of Chiang Mai. We're in the old walled city. And we've got a kettle, there's a fridge, and there's a bathroom. I'm really pleased with this. Well done, Alan.
Oh, Andy's like a family room.
I've got a day bed.
Oh, that's really nice. You and my dad's both got a bigger room than me, but I'm not unhappy. So you can see out onto the street there, look.
I'm properly impressed with this.
It's really nice. And I think we've paid about 30, no, in fact, it was €26 a night for this bed and breakfast. And this is our homestay, the Ruanmata Homestay. Now, what you have to remember is when you come to a homestay, it's somebody's house. And here in Thailand, when you visit somebody's house or a temple or anything, you must take off your shoes before going in. It's rude not to. So in the morning, this is where we get our breakfast. And here's the reception area. It's just all really quaint and really old, but with air conditioning in every room. And there you've got lots and lots of leaflets for if you decided you wanted to do a trip. And this Elephant Jungle Sanctuary is the one that we went to in Phuket. I'll leave a link in the description to that video. Here's our breakfast on day one. I don't think we'll get breakfast tomorrow because we're out early, but breakfast served from 7:30 until 10:30.
So this morning for breakfast, they brought us rice cakes. Bob tells me that on top is sugar. So anyway, if you've got a diabetes problem,
Like Bob.
you're going to have a bigger diabetes problem by the time you leave Thailand. Okay, so omelette. You said they were mushrooms and veg.
Yeah, they're mushrooms.
And this is like a green curry, Bob says. Now, what I can see in here, and I've never had any of this, I think they're aubergines. This is blood cake. Now you can get something like that in Mercadona from Chicken in Spain. I'm going to try it because it's only like black pudding, kinda, in Spain.
Like a bit of liver.
Does it taste like liver then as well? Ish. I'm a little bit apprehensive. Oh, and there's the chicken. This is going to be interesting, to say the least. It's very nice. The green curry is really nice. Yeah, Bob didn't get as much blood cake as I have. Baptism of fire. This curry's
Banging.
fantastic. They like cheese. Omelette, toast, banana. What's this?
I don't know. Is it like a sweet potato?
Okay, so the sticky rice, I think it's banana leaves it's done in. It's got something in the middle that's sweet. Helen thinks it might be taro. I don't know.
So we've just checked out of the Ruanmata. We've had a great stay. The location's absolutely fantastic. We're right in the old part of the town, in the walled city. The owner is really, really friendly. They've been really helpful. The rooms are comfy. They've got everything in that you might need. You're a close walk to the walking street market. You can order bolt and grab here, no problem. And we've just been paying a couple of euros to go really wherever we want to within the town. If you're interested in booking this homestay, we'll leave a link to their Facebook page in the description below so you can contact them directly. And if you've enjoyed this video and you found it useful and interesting, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from us, hit the notification bell and think about subscribing. Thank you very much. Hasta pronto.
So, you see here, I've really enjoyed my stay here. It has been like home from home, kinda-ish. It's been lovely. Nice.